Hey family, good morning. YouTube family, good morning, good morning. It's another day to start off another work week. I don't know how much people can go work, but nevertheless we're giving thanks. Still have been granted the gift with the gift of life one more day. Irrespective of the circumstances that are hanging around, we have been granted with the gift of life. So it is another day to make it the best of what we can. I mean, was somebody ever type long time? They be aware that. Well, this is my little homemade tonic, and look here. There's a video that I did, and in that video I told you that I am not an herbalist. So people not to go. In other words, it's a some bush and some root sitting. My little herbal tonic, and I wanted to make this from a long time ago. So I squeeze some sour orange in it. This is my vitamin C as opposed to the artificial ones them. I can't get no orange, some sweet orange, so I use the sour one, which I think is just the same, or probably even better. So I'm not drink nothing right here now except this, so it's okay if I squeeze the vitamin C in it. The sour orange, or I never have no lemon. Who have lemon can put in a lemon. So I'm starting off this vlog today. As I said, it is my little homemade tonic. I'm the one to do this one from long time. But you know what's happened? The time is just right. Me just get some, not all, but some, so I use what I have. But the video is there for you on the Jamaican Debbie strain. And if you're watching me right here and you're not subscribed to the Jamaican Debbie strain, what are you waiting for? I think you will see how I prepare this before you see this video or vlog. So when you go over there to watch it, remember to subscribe. Remember, when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. And when you hit that bell, there are 3 options. Remember to press the one that says all, so you will be notified. In that video, this is not for no virus outbreak or something where me used to drink. Long time I make it though, because I never go country to get the stuff them. And if you're following me carefully on the Jamaican Debbie strain, you would remember I told you that we are going to be making some homemade tonic, and a lot of people say, yeah, Debbie, that and that and that, you know. I have posted on Instagram, and if you're following me on Instagram, my cooking channel Instagram, you will see where I posted a picture of this thing being done on the outside there. So wow, I normally do it, you know, but me never put the vitamins, the sour orange in it before. Me just always squeeze the sour orange in the water. But me just decide to put it in it this morning. It's so good. Now preserve, and the longer it stays, it gets stale, you know, it get cured now, you know. The longer it stays, the better it tastes. And guess what? No preservatives, no additives are the real deal that me just take down my stomach. So this is how I'm starting my day. Today is Monday, as I said before. Hope you're having a blessed Monday. Hope if you don't have any reason to go out in crowded areas, you stay in a little lane, stay put. The kids should be out of school, so we don't have to worry for them and all of that. Make sure you follow all the necessary, take all the necessary precautions, listen to all the bulletins and all of them something, because this thing is worldwide. Pardon me. We are praying for it to pass. We don't know how long. Whatever little food you don't have, take time, no waste no food. And I'll be probably trying to upload a few videos to show you how you can cook at home during this time when the supermarket then sold out. So probably I'll do a few videos maybe on here or on the cooking channel. Okay, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to all the channels. Remember, our mukbang channel is there, and we still like do little eatings on it and all of that. So today is Monday, as I said before, and I hope you're off to a beautiful start. I hope you're taking precaution, and make whether if the outbreak was here or when it's gone, still practice good sanitizing, and also boil up your hot water, pour over your plate. Then if you even have the plate and you have dishwasher, pour it over your sink area. Just start practicing and not stop it, all when the virus is out of the way. So now today, what I'm about to share with you today is I'm gonna cook dinner. I did not cook yesterday. I did not cook Saturday. I never cook normally Saturday soup. Long time I make some of that. So we never cook nothing Saturday. We didn't cook yesterday. So I take out one chicken, some of the sides, and I go do some dinner. So this is how I'm starting off the vlog. So stick around to see what I'll be cooking. Me might end up changing my mind. Not sure. I know some a juice for change my mind. But I didn't give the fam bam any dinner yesterday. My cooking, so I gotta do some cooking. So yes, I start off with my little tonic with my little vitamin C juice in it. Or my vitamin C, my sour orange juice. That I have me all, you know. Hope you're doing the same thing too. Even if you have to get store-bought vitamin C, do it. But you know the real one is always better. But use what you have until you can get what you want. So I know you'll stay with me, and I'll tell you thanks in advance for staying with me. So I'll catch you around somewhere in the next or during the course of the day. I think by then I should be clear on what I'll be making for dinner. Okay? YouTube family, I am just here. I'm gonna reach nowhere far. I'm gonna say, but finally, make up my mind. I'm gonna do now chicken wash. I'm gonna have it there for the season. I'm gonna do bungo rice and peas and fried chicken. I'm gonna make me a coleslaw. Basically, that's it. And maybe 2 festival. I'm a sipping y'all. I'll sip that like a cheap wine now. I don't know what it's but it's some sweet wine. But may I take my little sip. I did a video for the Jamaican Debbie Debs. You see it some further down in the week. Show you how we take care of a pot. With aluminum and with something then pot at Jamaica. Show you how we clean the pot properly. So I stopped to do that video. So I'm in the kitchen as usual. Most of the time it's not from my favorite place. But it won't be all the time. So today is Monday. You know that'll come Monday. Monday blues. Yep. Dealing with a lot of things that's inside here too. I'm gonna check out some little things online. Trying to make all this stuff night to do videos. Other little things, life issues and stuff. And all like that. So now let me make up my mind to go cook. I'm gonna get rolling. Put the little wine back in the fridge. The recipe is so to get it back in the fridge. And I'm in no hurry. But I take my time. So basically that's what is happening. Hope you're having a blessed day so far. Hope you take the precaution them and all of that. And I hope most of all you're sipping too. Get you in the next day. So YouTube family, we have started. The chicken is here frying. Yup. Getting going with my chicken. Fried chicken. And camera girl over here, so she is gonna be doing the coleslaw, you know what I'm saying?
Hi guys.
So you want to do the cabbage first? Do it first now?
Put all at once.
No, put all at once. Don't fill it up too much, because this is not a big food processor, you know. They have bigger one. You can put piece more. Yup. Yeah, remember to make sure you know. Yeah, so you turn it in there, so it lock, and make sure that the bottom part lock too. Don't it look like it lock? If you don't lock properly, it not work, you know. Don't, yeah, lock it now. Lock it up the salad. Alright, so now you do it on the finest. That good? Some of the chocolate.
Alright guys, so now after the cabbage is all finished, you're going to Just put in the cucumber and the carrot. If you guys want to use like red onions or stuff in there too, you can go ahead. We don't really have that right now.
I have onions, but you don't like the onions them in there.
Yeah, I don't like the regular onions. I like the
You like the red onions?
Yeah, definitely.
Did you tell me you were making a coleslaw?
Yeah, you said it.
I saw some. My head a run. Everything can go in there. Yeah. Or you can just put some. Yeah, everything like everything. You know what? Overload it. How long time you not see you when you go cook?
Not for right now with all I'm hearing. I don't know as yet, guys. I'm here part time for now.
For school out, you clock properly. Sometimes I look at something nice, you know. Not true.
Yeah.
Nice to make the coleslaw, so
It's easier.
yeah.
Alright.
That's good.
That's it.
Alright.
Yeah. Wait.
Having a little clutter right here, guys. Dad would say, I know. Dad, I clean Aki with him hand.
Come on.
So when I did it with the knives. He might do it. When I was telling you about the hand cleaning, Dad clean it with him hand. Dad go pick Aki God. So I'm cleaning Aki with his hands. Why you love them, the Aki there? Okay, so next batch of chicken frying. And about 100 here now, I'm going to use my rice cooker. So I have my rice. Rice and peas, rice and gongo. So YouTube family, our little dinner is ready. It should have been Sunday dinner. And I am putting some gravy on for you. And I hope if you're a lover of leg and thigh, I dish you up leg and thigh. I mean, I don't know if you want whole gravy. I love whole gravy. So I'm not gravy up too much. So I hope you'll enjoy with your eyes. And you will leave me some comments below if you're a lover of leg and thigh. This is for you from our Jamaican home to you. Thank you so much for staying with me today in the kitchen. Didn't have a lot to offer, but I know you all will embrace it. Thank you for the love. Thanks for the support. Thank you for everything that you have been doing on our channels, clicking on our videos, watching, leaving us comments below. And we'd love for you to click on our videos some more. We'd love for you to leave us some more principled comments. And we'd also love for you to ask your friends, your family to subscribe some more and to watch our videos some more when we upload. Make sure you stay subscribed. Make sure when you're subscribed, you hit the notification bell, press the option all, and most of all, make sure you stay sanitize your home, everything, and you make sure you stay and listen to the to all of the information that is being given out, follow up everything that is happening. Make sure so the place is sanitized and all of that, and you take the necessary precautions as we fight this demon that is upon us together. Thanks so much again, and that's it for now. Once more, enjoy from our kitchen for our Jamaican family to yours. Please do enjoy. Thank you. See you in the next video. Ciao.